And welcome. Stop using this one word and it's sabotaging your diet. It creates chaos, and all of a sudden you're eating things that are considered bad foods. And so today I'm talking about this one word and what to do instead. Vickie Griffith with Breakthrough. This one word is how people describe cheat days. It is one of my pet peeves because cheat days stay in that feeling thought process that there are good and bad foods. Now, it depends on what food program you're on, depends on what good foods and bad foods are. So if you pick any of the most popular food programs right now, the most popular diets, then one bad food is going to be a good food on another diet. There is no good or bad food, which also means that a piece of chocolate cake is not a bad food. Just isn't. A candy bar is not a bad food. A bag of potato chips is not a bad food. Pizza is not a bad food. And what would happen on some of these food plans is that you have a prescribed cheat day, and you can eat all of those bad foods and then go back on your program the following day. Now, there is some science behind this, that if you increase the number of calories that you have, your metabolism increases to metabolize them, basically. And so there's some science behind why we should eat a little bit more than we do on a normal program. So if you're eating 1,200 calories a day, which I really don't recommend, then you would have a day that you would eat a few more calories. But it doesn't necessarily mean the brownie or the cookie, which is what most people turn to on their cheat days, or their pizza, whatever it may be. And this aggravates me because it continues to enforce the mentality of all or nothing. If you choose to have a piece of birthday cake, fabulous, have one. You're not cheating. You're enjoying it. You're savoring it. It's part of life. Celebrations are a part of life, and you'll continue to have them. And a lot of times they involve food. A cheat day is usually everything I can't eat on my program, this all or nothing mentality, and then I'll start again tomorrow. Maybe if you just ate the one piece of cake and enjoyed it, rather than calling it a cheat or even a treat. Someone else called it a treat day. I'm not sure that I really appreciate that either, because again, it sets up that this treat is not on my regular program. If you ate chocolate cake every single day, some of you will lose weight because you're not eating all the other things. You're not starting with a piece of cake and then eating a pint of ice cream and then eating a bag of potato chips, not the small one, the big one, and or et cetera, on and on and on and on. So the reality is, if you ate just a regular slice of cake every day, you'd probably lose weight because you're not eating all those other calories. Your body's not having to metabolize all of the other stuff that's in those other calories. I invite you to try this. No more cheat days. No more cheating. Just enjoy life. Make it okay to have that occasional candy bar or a few chips with lunch every now and then. It's not cheating. It's celebrating life. Until next time, sending love.